Psychology career research results. The results I got from my quiz were clinical psychologist, sports psychologist, and school psychologist. A clinical psychologist often work in hospital or academic settings. They specialize in adult and child mental health, learning disabilities, emotional disturbances, substance abuse, and health psychology. Their average salary is $72,000 a year. A sports psychologist is the study of how performance, exercise, and psychological health are affected in a person's performance. They work together with coaches and players to keep them at their peak performance. I strongly agree with the results that I got from my quiz personally because I would love to work in a hospital setting or an academic setting, being that I love the medical field and I love to work with kids. I also would love to work as a sports psychologist because, as you know, sports is a huge part of my life and I think that would be very interesting to me. The two most intriguing jobs that I discovered were personality psychology and biopsychology. I think personality is intriguing to me because I love to see how people's personalities differ and how we interact with each other depending on our personalities and who we're drawn to, and I think that would be very interesting for me to study. I also think biopsychology was cool because to understand that neurons in our brain determine how we react to different decisions and how diseases can affect us is also really cool to me. There were a few that I discovered that I did not know of before. I did not know that there was such a thing as forensic psychology that deal with criminals and cases and law, health psychology, and biopsychology. The biggest contribution that I feel that psychologists make to this world, I feel like the field of psychology is highly overlooked sometimes. It's not easy addressing people's mental health and diseases. That's not an easy job at all. This job somehow gets overlooked most of the time. However, helping people understand what's wrong with them and why they are the way that they are and helping them overcome what's holding them back helps them become the person that they need to be. It makes them happier and healthier. The overall insight that I have from this project is I learned a lot about myself and a lot about what the fields that I'm stronger in. If I ever decide to have a career in psychology, I know what to look at and go into. I look forward to learning more about the habits of human nature and what we will discover in this class.